Folks, James Barr here, Junior Sales Executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this 2016 BMW 4 Series 418D SE Gran Coupe. Let's take a quick look around her. Up front you have the LED front lights, the front parking sensors, the iconic BMW kidney grille with the silver trim, the BMW alloys on run flat tires, the silver trim surrounding the rear privacy glass, the Gran Coupe badging on the side. Come around to the back, you have the BMW 418D badging, the rear LED tail lights, the rear parking sensors, the automatic trunk, just a simple click of the key fob and she'll pop right open. The back seats are also collapsible to give you even more trunk space. And to close the trunk, simple click of the button up there. Now folks, let's take a quick look at the interior. Now folks, that we're inside, you can see the multifunctional BMW sports steering wheel. This car is fitted with the sports mode plus sports mode, sports plus mode, comfort mode and an eco pro mode. Also on board is the BMW teleservice, the BMW iDrive system, the automatic transmission, the 360-degree parking sensors. The interior comes in an ivory white Dakota leather with a platinum trim finish. Fully electric windows, automatic lights, rain sensing wipers, heated seats. Also on board is the extended interior light package, Bluetooth connectivity, navigation, air conditioning, the BMW SOS service system and many other extras. That was just a quick look around this 161 BMW 4 Series 418D SE Gran Coupe. If you have any questions about this car or any other car in our fleet, please feel free to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.